So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to claim your credit in Temu. So first of all, open up the app. From here I suggest you log in since claiming credit is linked to a specific account. You can see at the bottom home, categories, you and the card, and you can see the search bar in the top part of the page. Now through here you can just go ahead and click on that search bar and you'll see some popular right now, recently searched items, and so on. Now, in order to claim your credit in Temu, you just need to type out claim credit. So it's quite simple to just type it out. It's a form of code. Click on the search and you'll see this page right here. So it may look a bit different, but you'll see the credit back page once you've searched that. So you can see it's not a product, it's a specific credit page for you. So you can see pick for credit. You can get credit back, so 30, 80 or 200% credit back. So you can use credit. You can see you can pick and get a discount for certain items for credit, and that's about how it works. So you can see many items which are for credit. After that, once they are in your shopping bag, so let's say we chose this one, and you can see now you can get 30% credit for that. So you can see once you stack items, you can go to checkout through your shopping bag for credit. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.